Hi guys, today I would like to show you how to add profile picture to your Strava account. At first, open Strava, then go to Profile and click on Edit. Now mark your profile picture, and now you can either take it right now or select some picture from the gallery. So just choose the picture that you want to apply. Customize it however you like, tap on Done, and click on Down to Saver. And that's it, that would be all. As you can see from now on, it will appear on your profile side. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.